life, that what I have to do in the future, that we have poverty in everywhere in the country. Nobody think about that. If you remember that Hazrat Ali, when he was Khalifa, he was rounding in the city and seeing that who is the needy person who didn't eat and who is sleeping without food. But now the rulers and things are changed. We are modern. We don't know who is staying beside our neighbor. We don't know who is coming and going and who is sleeping on the footpath. Nobody cares. I was using Facebook and I saw one inspirational video in India actually. This guy is from India. He's going outside. He's not giving money without anything. He's paying wages, but extra. He went to the people and he said, can you sell me this fruits? Yes, I can, but this is 5 dirham. Okay, that's pretty good. I will take it one. Please give me one. And he paid extra. I tried myself in Pakistan. I went back on my last vacation and I was running at night at 11 o'clock because the city was very calm and people were sleeping. No one is outside. But I found a lot of people sleeping on the footpath. I was really feeling bad because I'm enjoying in UAE. I'm getting everything with blessing of Allah and my parents and all of you prayers. When I see them, I just stand and imagine if I am there, what do I expect? The people who's riding a car, going by bike, they will look like down upon that they're bad people are sleeping. We always imagine they are bad. Maybe they're drug addicted or something else. I went to the restaurant, I bought meals, around 20, 50, 20, 25 meals. I go and sit with the guy, I said, hello, are you there? Yes, I'm here. My name is Imran, can I speak with you a while? Yes, you can speak with me. He offered me water. It was dirty. Of course, I will not drink. I feel, oh, if I drink, maybe there's something. I said, did you eat? Then he started crying. No, I didn't eat this morning. The tears in my eyes. I said, okay, if Allah sends someone to give you food, what do you think? I will kiss him, I will hug him. Okay, I have something for you. Can you take it? Will you accept? Yes, I do. And he hugged me. I know he's dirty cloth wearing and this thing and he's sleeping on the footpath. Whole day, I don't know how did he spend. When he hugged me, I feel pleasure. I feel pleasure. And I promised with myself, I did a lot of things at the same night. And my family was worried that maybe I would get kidnapped or I will lost somewhere else because our city is not secure like UAE. Anyone will be kidnapped easily. So it's around 2 o'clock in the morning still. I find a lot of people, they are hungry and sleeping on the footpath. So what I feel the real good deeds that what happened that night. And I say thanks to the guy who was in India who was paying extra this way. I can do that on a daily basis because he's paying for someone who deserves, using efforts, not begging actually. Because here the problem that we think they are beggars, they're professional beggars. I found a lot of this kind of people in my homeland even. But the people who are really needy, we should look at them and we should help. I remember in 14th century, before when our prophet, last prophet, Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he was here, that no one was poor there. Why? Because Muslim was our culture, our teach that we have to care about humans. Even Allah says that the people who care about my creature, I will care about him. So why we forget everything? How can we forget? We are Muslim, we brought up in a Muslim home. We're going for Salah 5 times a day, but we forget this thing. And I hope that we always do this good deeds, and we're doing a daily basis. But if we look the people who really deserve for the things, and we look the people who are staying beside us, we should give them hand. And thank you so much. Thank you for that.